Edible oil, the fundamental ingredient of food. Oil plays a role of varying degrees in various dishes across various cuisines. India is one of the largest producers of oilseeds in the world. The key sources for edible oil production in India are groundnut, mustard, soya bean, cotton and palm. NIR DA1650 Oilseed Crush Analyzer, the best-in-class solution for liquid and solid samples and purposely built for oil crushing operations. Let's now hear it from our customers.
98 से पहले
Till 1998, all the seed samples took a lot of time in processing and testing. There was a delay in purchase decisions. With FOSS machine, we see consistent results and the time has drastically reduced.
We are analyzing moisture AIS, acid value of the lecithin in this machine. This machine is helping us to take instant decisions on the basis of analytical parameters and helping us to control the plant parameters nicely. This machine is a very low maintenance system. It is very easy to use.
FOSS NIRS is helping a lot of oil producing industries like Tirumala to find out most economically viable oil blends for cooking purposes with maximum nutrition and desirable properties. We use FOSS machine for groundnut oil, groundnut seeds and DOC. We get perfect results for parameters like oil, protein, silica, moisture and FFA. The traditional testing methods took a lot of time, which heavily increased the workload. We also came across a lot of variations in the results. But ever since we have started using FOSS machine, we have been getting instant and accurate results.
तुरंत मिलने लगे हैं तथा एक्यूरेसी लेवल मैनुअल के साथ 100% मैच करते हैं.
Oil inside cotton seed and the free fatty acid percentage decides how much recovery of cotton oil we get and how much we lose because of free fatty acid. So earlier it used to take 8 hours to take a decision if we are going to buy this seed right now, store it and send it. That can happen in minutes right now. Recently the machine that we got has a touch screen and the user interface is pretty clean. And all of the selection that needs to be done from the raw material, the cup size is all given in the machine itself and it is visible on the touch screen.
FOSS DA-NIR 1650 is highly recommended for assessing cotton seed. It has helped us in making quick decisions on buying seed based on the information that we get from the machine. Especially on the testing of for free fatty acids profile, the machine is quite accurate.
In each and every stage, from the delinting section, hulling section and expelling section, and in solvent extraction also, FOSS DA1650 machine is very useful for us in processing, setting the parameters. We are getting the consistent results of in DORB.
After a lot of research, we came to know FOSS equipment is giving better results.
The time taken for the routine analysis is quite long, it takes hours. Whereas using with NIR, this particular instrument, the time taken is drastically reduced.
Using that instrument for estimation of the oil in bunches and oil in effluent, we have found that this instrument is very useful for this analysis.
Instrument service by FOSS is good.
We are happy to serve customers like 3F Oil Palm, where FOSS calibrations are used for variety of samples like press fiber, sludge, PK cake, foam, empty bunch shredded fiber, mesocarp and dry fruit.
We are happy with the FOSS instrument.
ನಾವು FOSS ಇಂದ ಸಂತುಷ್ಟರಾಗಿದ್ದೇವೆ.
We are very happy with FOSS.
We are happy with FOSS.
FOSS is the best.
FOSS is the best.
Transforming the oil industry, transforming the health of India.